I save thousands per cruise that I book. And some of the number one questions that I get are, how do you cruise so much? And how much are you paying for your cruises? If you've asked any of these questions, I'm going to tell you how today. Hi, everyone. I'm Tiffany Perry. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm a former teacher looking for affordable ways to travel and cruise the world and live the dream. Let's get started. Recently cruised on the Carnival Luminosa for a 5-week back-to-back Alaskan cruise, and I saved $19,650. What? How did you do that? Casino offers. Yep, that's right. I gamble. So, what did I receive with those casino offers? What did I pay? Well, I paid $936 a week. And with the $200 onboard credit that Carnival gives you, it was actually only $736 out of my pocket. Now, for those 5 weeks, it was a balcony room for all 5 weeks and free drinks around the ship. Now, the casino offer was in my husband's name, and the offer was free drinks for him and his companion anywhere, anytime around the ship. So that $19,000 that we saved was compared to the standard rates without any discounts or any offers that Carnival would give you a couple of months ago in the summer of 2023. So offers are always subject to change, but that is what we received in the summer of 2023. Be sure to stay at the end because he actually saved well more than $20,000 with extra benefits that we received. And I'm going to tell you about that here in a little bit. So you might be wondering, well, what kind of offers can you get? I just want to point out that I am only talking about the offers that I get with Carnival Cruise Line. So some of the casino offers that you can receive would be interior room, ocean view room, balcony room. You can receive free slot play with these offers, as well as the drink package. Now, the drink package does vary sometimes, as sometimes it can be for the person on the offer along with their companion. Such as when we were on our 5-week back-to-back cruise in Alaska, my husband received the casino offers to receive free drinks anywhere around the boat, plus his companion. So we both got free drinks around the ship at any time. Now, at the end of our 5-week back-to-back Alaskan cruise, we weren't quite ready to go home. So as soon as we ported in Seattle, 3 days later, we headed to Baltimore and got on the Carnival Legend for a 14-day journey cruise to Greenland. Now, on that cruise, we also got our balcony room, just like we did on the Carnival Luminosa, but the drink package was a little different. My husband got free drinks everywhere around the ship, but I only got them as his companion in the casino while gambling. So as I said, the casino offers do change and they are subject to change. And I've noticed they change like every 2 to 3 months, but I'm noticing it kind of feels like our casino offers are going down a little bit. Our slot play isn't as high as it's been in the past, and the drink package isn't as consistent as it's been in the past as well. If you are somebody that cruises regularly with Carnival and you gamble in the casino, please leave me a comment below. I would love to hear how you feel about the casino offers and what kind of offers that you get. Now, I just want to say that I am not telling you to gamble, and this is the only way that you can get good deals when you're cruising. I'm just simply telling you that this is how I choose to get good deals when I am cruising. Okay, so maybe you're asking, how much are you gambling? You're getting free balcony rooms, you're getting drink packages, slot play. How much do you gamble to get all of these casino offers? Well, honestly, I don't really gamble that much. I set myself a budget at about $500. Now, any wins, I do just cycle that back through. Unless it's a big win, I won't gamble that back through. I cash that out, such as when my husband and I were on the Greenland cruise at 3 o'clock in the morning. He called me to come downstairs. He woke me up because he was playing 50 cents a pool and won $1,900. And that cruise, our casino offers only cost us $1,100 for that cruise. And obviously, we took that $1,900, put it on our account. So that was a completely free cruise for us with a little money in our pocket as well. Now, I actually have seen this happen many times, playing 50 cents a pool and people win a good amount of money. $10,000 I've seen sometimes at 50 cents or $1.50 a pool. So I've never done it. If you've done it before, leave me a comment below. I would love to congratulate you. That's just awesome. But normally when we are gambling, we're only playing anywhere from 50 cents to $1.50 a pool. And I do gamble that money back through if I am winning like maybe $50 here or there. And the reason I do that is so that I can collect my points. And it's the points that you want to earn so that you are getting those casino offers. I cannot stress this enough. Use your sale and sign card when you are gambling. Your sale and sign card is going to collect your points for you, and that is crucial if you are wanting to have those points so that you can begin receiving those offers from Carnival. Now, if you are new to gambling, a point is approximately $2.50 a pull. Now, if I'm wrong, please leave me a comment below. I believe that is approximately what it is. But like I said, it does change and that they do seem like they vary. Now, how many points do you need to collect and earn in order to start receiving those casino offers? So I've talked to a lot of different people when we cruise and to see what kind of points they're getting and what kind of offers they're receiving. So around 750 points, that's when it seems like you'll start receiving offers for interior rooms. And then about 1,500 points is ocean view rooms. And then 2,500 points, balcony rooms. Like I said, all of this is subject to change. That's just what I have seen and heard of other people talking. So if you've received anything different, please let me know. I would love to hear. There's nothing to say that if you got 750 points, they're not going to get a balcony room offer. Now, I will say that if you begin doing this, you are going to start receiving offers, and Carnival will start spamming you with offers. I get emails, at least 2 a day, on different casino offers. So they will begin to start spamming you and sending you offers constantly. Now, the biggest question is, how do I stay disciplined to stay on that budget when I'm gambling? So my suggestion is, if you are on a budget and you want to make sure that you stay on that budget and you are disciplining yourself, only bring cash to gamble with. Why do I say this? If you're familiar with your sale and sign card, you know it's pretty much like a credit card on the ship. So as soon as you put that sale and sign card in the slot machine, you can actually click charge your room. So if you click to charge your room and put in your birthday and year, that's your PIN number for your sell and sign card. If you put that in the slot machine and you tell it, charge my room $10, it's going to charge your room $10 and then put it in there for you to gamble. And then you're not going to see all of that until the end on your nice, lovely bill that they give you. And let me tell you, I speak from experience. When you got that drink package and you're gambling and you're excited, you're like, just another $10. Oh, just another $10. Believe me, it adds up. So the best way to stay disciplined and the best way to stay on your budget is just to put cash in. And once that cash is gone, you're done. Go do something else. All right. I know I told you that I was going to share with you how we actually saved more than $20,000 on our 5-week back-to-back Alaskan cruise. Well, that is because 3 of those weeks was an elite cruise. What is an elite cruise? I'm actually going to share that with you in more detail here in just a couple of days. So don't go anywhere. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you can be alerted as soon as more videos come your way. But if you are interested in gambling and you want to hear more about what Carnival offers, I'm going to share with you the elite cruising, the premier cruises, and all of these fun cruises that they offer you when they invite you to these cruises. But just in a nutshell, the elite cruise will give you all different benefits as far as free shore excursions, drinks around the ship, Wi-Fi, and free room service, along with other benefits that really pushed us over that $20,000 in savings that we took advantage of. So if you are interested in gambling and see what the elite cruises have to offer, definitely make sure that you check that elite cruise video coming here in just a couple of days. I hope this has answered some of your questions about why I cruise so much and how much I pay. If you have any more questions for me, please feel free to leave a comment below. I would love to hear your experiences if you're gambling in the casinos. And if you gamble on any of the other cruise lines, please leave me a comment below. Let me know what kind of casino offers you're receiving over there. I'm looking at going to Royal in 2024. So let me know what you think if you're a Royal Cruise casino person. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was and you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Bye for now.